Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting essentials in place. Make sure your iPhone has Siri enabled and Bluetooth on, because CarPlay uses both control and voice. Once done, plug the OEM Lightning cable into the car's USB port. This provides data and power, so avoid charging-only leads. While parked with ignition in accessory or on, wake the infotainment screen so the head unit can detect a new connection. This prepares both devices to negotiate the CarPlay handshake. Now connect the iPhone with the cable and wait for the Xl6 head unit to show a prompt. The system scans USB devices and presents CarPlay as an option. On your iPhone, accept the pairing and choose Allow CarPlay while locked so it reconnects automatically. This prevents interruptions. Then tap the CarPlay icon on the infotainment display. If needed, press the steering wheel voice or phone button to switch audio focus. This routes navigation and calls through the car speakers. Finish by testing core apps. Launch Maps, make a quick call, and play audio to confirm sound and microphone pass-through. If CarPlay doesn't appear or audio is missing, unplug and replug using an Apple-certified cable, restart your iPhone, and toggle Bluetooth. These steps clear common handshaking faults. For persistent failures, update your iPhone's iOS and check the Xl6 infotainment firmware. Sometimes a dealer firmware flash or official.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.